How to fix the Windows Update error. So if you're seeing an error message or you're having an issue installing a Windows Update, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up your Start menu and then search for the word Troubleshoot. You can then click on Troubleshoot Settings, and from the list of options, select Other Troubleshooters. Now come down to Windows Update and click on this Run button, and then wait a couple of seconds for this window to load. Now once it's finished loading, you'll see this diagnostic page. So go and select the issue you're having from the list. I'm going to click on I can't download or install an update. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Yes to the automated diagnostics. If any issues are found, it will try to automatically repair them. Now if this isn't working, you'll need to open up your Start menu again, and this time search for Services and click on this window. So you can then scroll all the way down the page, and right down here you'll see a service called Windows Update. Go and click on this. You can then right click on this and press Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running. So if it's currently stopped, you can press the Start button and then press Apply and OK. You'll then need to right click on the service and click on Restart. Now scroll up this page, and you'll see a service called Background Intelligent Transfer. So you need to do the same thing for this service as well. So we're just going to double click on it, change the startup type to automatic, and make sure the service status is running by clicking Start. Now once the service is running, go and press Apply and OK, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up your Start menu, search for the letters CMD, and right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You then need to go and type in the following command. We're going to type in sfc /scan now and press enter. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while this scans your computer for any damaged or corrupted files. Now once it gets to 100%, there's one more command we need to run. You're going to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health and press enter. Once again, you'll need to wait for this scan to get to 100%. You could then try restarting your computer and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and you're still getting a Windows Update error, the final solution is to open up your Start menu and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Windows Update, and then scroll down and click on Update History. Now scroll down and click on Recovery, and click on Fix Problems Using Windows Update, press Reinstall Now. You can then go through the steps to reinstall Windows onto your computer, and that will have now solved the Windows Update error.